With help of Visual Code Studio interface for source control, we can add, edit, or change files and upload them to the GitHub repository. In our case, we need to edit this file, for example, just for Visual Studio Code, and save file. Now, when we save file, if we add some changes, they are marked with this blue dash, and in the source control we have a bubble with number 1. This is indicate that we have changed only one file in our case, and from here we can add each individual file and commit it and push it to the GitHub repository. In our case, we need to press the plus button, and now from this area with changed files, we move the readme file to stage changes, but to take effect we need to create commit with some description. In our case, this message will be with name test from code editor, for example, and we need to press the button commit or this button above the message. Okay, we have a problem. We need to configure username and email for Git that is installed on our machine. Because I don't remember how was exactly was the command. Okay, I'm gonna search and go. Okay. Okay, we need to open the terminal. In our case, we can open terminal from menu and new terminal. Okay, let me split the screen. And from here we need to copy the first command. And I need to hide this window with shortcut Control and B. Don't hide. Wait. Never mind. Paste, and inside the quotes we need to put our username. Username can be copied from the GitHub URL like this. If you don't remember exactly what is your name, and put it with the paste command. And now I need to press enter. Okay. Now the second command is for email address. me maximize this. Paste and for the and press enter. Okay, now I need to close the terminal and I'm gonna try again to make commit. Okay, now we don't see any error. Before we upload or push the these changes and the commit message, we first need to pull, always need to pull the information from the GitHub repository. No. And then when we have no new commits from other collaborators, we need to select the command push. And now we need to go to GitHub page and this is the old variant when we edit the readme file from the from the web UI, and when I refresh the page, we're gonna see that the commits are already 3, and now we have 3 commits, and we have the text from the Visual Code Studio. Now the text in the readme file is the same like our editor.